Well, today's the Cullen Skink World Championship, and the whole idea behind the event is to promote and kind of celebrate that this wonderful dish comes from Cullen. As you can see, we've got a room full of people here who are all here to compete, and later on this afternoon one of them will be declared the Cullen Skink World Champion. The competition is open to people from all over the world. Anyone can enter. It could be somebody from a business, it could just be somebody who makes Cullen Skink for the family. So it's really broad and wide and open, and we've got people this year that have entered from all over Scotland.
My ideal Cullen Skink would be, you don't want it too gritty. You want to taste the smoked haddock. So I think that's really good. You don't want your tatties to be hard to the bite.
You didn't want them through the brie either.
Yeah, absolutely. So it is a fine balance. I'll tell you if it makes it really difficult. These people are all working in little kitchen stoves. And therefore they're not getting the heat right, and so it makes them. But it's fair for everyone. So it's a fantastic.
You can see the stress in their faces, though, Richie.
A spectator came in evening. She says, "Oh, I didn't care nothing about fish." She says, "I'm for Fisherman stock." I says, "Well, the better you should be in it. Ingans, milk, tatties." I says, "There's more coming off of land than there is for the sea. Get your name in for next year."
We're talking very quiet. This is really dense stuff.
We're concentrating.
We're concentrating. It's all beginning to smell fine. And to use it, Doric Peter, fit fine and fit rare.
Fish bouillon is a stock that I'm using, and I'll just cook my fish in. Because I've only got 2 pans and I'm only limited to so long to do it, I would add my stock first so I can get some stock to put in to make the soup itself. I've got a roux cooking in that other pan as well, which we made with milk, and we're finished off with the fish stock that I'm cooking the fish into as well.
So is there flour in there as well?
There's flour in it as well, yes. Self-raising flour, butter and onions.
I've never seen that.
No, I know.
Is this your first time?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yes, very.
Am I making you even more nervous?
Very.
I'll go on, leave you in peace. Can you tell me what your ingredients are?
Just milk, butter, onion, salt, pepper, tatties, fish obviously, and cream.
Yellow fish or white fish?
Smoked haddock. It's
yellow?
It's got a tinge of yellow. I get it from the fish merchants.
Unfortunately, we can only pick one winner, and that winner for the Cullen Skink World Champion for this morning was Bheag. Lynn was last year's winner, so yeah, I'm pretty sure you've enjoyed your year as being.
Yeah, it's been good.
Any tips for the new winner?
Just enjoy it.
I would say milk it. We had no idea who the winner was in the morning, but it is Bheag again.
Was it a hard job? You seemed to be awful content when I popped through to see you. You were all supping into your soup. There was harmony, there was no arguments going on.
No, I mean, we were quite unanimous in the decisions. The choice was, to be honest, very, very difficult. I've done this a few times before. Standards very high. So everything was very, very good. In the afternoon is totally different because you've got a very different twist on each interpretation of Cullen Skink. I suppose what you want to do is you want to get more folk to come to Scotland to taste our national dishes. It's one of the iconic dishes. They always ask for it. They'll want it in the traditional form, but they'll want to go to places that put a different twist on it and bring it up to date. So that's good.
Are you going home for your tea?
I think I fancy some soup, you can. Cullen Skink, that'd be a good idea, wouldn't it?
That'd be a good idea.
Aye.